do a video that will help you save some money. I know that most companies, are out there to make as much money as possible, but we function a little differently. We're all artists, and we actually want you to create a lot of art, and we understand that a lot of times you're on a budget. So our whole thing is, let's keep it reasonable in price, but also how can we help you buy less material? So if I had to fill this fish tank and I was on a budget, this is what I would do. I'm going to go ahead and bail out a good percentage of this glitter, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you a trick. Great, so I've got the tank basically empty. There's about a ½ inch in there. I could have taken it all the way down, but I didn't. Okay, so there's lots of different things you can do. You can, where is it? Use foam blocks. You can take packing peanuts and put them into Ziploc bags and make that, like a peanut bag. You can also use these wonderful airbags. You can buy them really, really cheap at shipping supply places, or you can use those sheets of the dots that pop, the what are they called, bubble wrap, whatever you got, and just load it in. For every space that you fill, that's the area that's filled with air or whatever, packing peanut bags or whatever it is, that you don't have to pay for in glitter. Just load it up. Now, if you had a situation where you had people who needed to put their hands in it, and that was an art piece, that the tactile feeling of running your hands through glitter, obviously that's not going to work. But if you're doing it for a photo shoot, and you just have to look like you have a tank or a bathtub or something, whatever, full of glitter, well, why not pack it up? Throw it in, and then put your glitter in. So the amount of glitter that I used when it was full, I'll put it up on the screen for you now. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill it up again with glitter. And then I'm going to pull all this out of it. And you're going to be able to watch that level drop dramatically. And you'll be able to see how much less glitter it takes to fill this tank when you've filled it with other things. So I'm going to go ahead and start bailing the glitter in so that you can see how much money you can save, basically. Okay, great. So at this point, I've put the bags in here. I've filled it with glitter. I'm now going to reach in and pull the bags out, and then I want you to watch the glitter level drop. Okay, so you got to see that I have now half, or even a little bit less than half the glitter that would have been required. So that's a huge savings in glitter. I'll go ahead and do the new calculation for you and put it on the screen so that you can see the difference on how much glitter we just saved.
Flails, round up your money. Flails, round,